Hello. Welcome back to Kuki Decor, the home of creativity, inspiration, and beautiful DIY transformations. Today, we are diving into one of the most exciting and artistic projects you can try, creative fusion, where leftover wood pieces and discarded metal scraps come together to create stylish, trendy, and modern home decor. Whether you're someone who loves DIY crafting, a decor enthusiast searching for unique ideas, or an upcycling lover who enjoys giving forgotten materials a new purpose, this video is going to inspire you to look at scraps in a whole new way. Before we jump in, I just want to welcome you warmly to the channel. If you're new here, I'm so glad you found us. Here at Kuki Decor, we believe that the most beautiful decor pieces don't always need to be expensive. Sometimes, the best creations are born from imagination, skill, and the humble materials we often overlook. So grab a seat, relax, and let's begin this creative journey together. Wood and metal are incredible on their own, but when combined, they create a level of beauty and sophistication that feels modern, stylish, and effortlessly elegant. This combination of rustic warmth from the wood and industrial strength from the metal gives decor pieces a unique contrast that works well in any home, whether your style is minimal, farmhouse, industrial, bohemian, or modern chic. Every single project in today's topic uses scraps. Yes, those little bits and pieces you thought you had no use for can become stunning decor once you apply a bit of creativity. Pieces of pallet wood, rusted bolts, old hinges, broken metal rods, plywood cutoffs, steel scraps, bent nails, everything you once considered waste can be transformed into something eye-catching and meaningful for your home. Let's start with one of the most versatile DIY ideas: scrap wood and metal wall art. When you take varying shapes of wood, maybe some rectangular cutoffs, uneven pieces, or long narrow strips, and pair them with leftover metal pieces like washers, scrap rods, or small flat metal sheets, you can create abstract art that looks like something you would find in a high-end decor boutique. The key is not perfection, but expression. Abstract wall art lets you play with geometric shapes, asymmetrical composition, and raw textures. You can stain the wood in different tones: walnut, ebony, oak, or driftwood gray, while leaving the metal pieces either polished or naturally rustic. This blending of textures adds depth, warmth, and movement to your walls. And it's completely customizable. Whether you want a huge statement piece for your living room or a smaller one for your office, wood and metal wall art is flexible, affordable, and one of the best ways to elevate your space. Another fantastic idea is creating modern table decor using wood blocks and small metal components. Think of small centerpieces, candle stands, key holders, or mini sculptural elements. For example, a solid block of wood can become an elegant base for a minimal candle holder by attaching a simple metal ring on top. Or, you can repurpose metal rods to create artistic shapes: loops, spirals, or geometric frames and mount them onto small wooden bases. These small decorative objects add a stylish touch to coffee tables, bookshelves, or entryways. And the beauty is that you don't need expensive tools. A drill, some wood glue, a sanding block, and a bit of creativity are enough to make high-end decor that looks store-bought, but costs almost nothing. Now let's talk about functional decor pieces, because nothing is more satisfying than creating something that's beautiful and useful. One of the best combinations of wood and metal scraps is in making floating shelves or mini organizers. Many times, leftover metal pieces like brackets, or even bent rods can be reshaped and used as shelf holders. This gives your shelves a modern industrial flair. Small wooden boards, maybe from old crates or furniture leftovers, can serve as the shelf surface. With the right finish, these pieces can become stylish storage areas in your kitchen, bedroom, or bathroom. These small shelves are perfect for plants, books, candles, or small accessories, and they instantly elevate the room's aesthetic. And speaking of organization, wood and metal scraps can also be combined to make trendy desk accessories. You can design a pen holder using wood scraps with metal piping, create a mini letter organizer using wooden panels and metal rods, or even make a stylish phone stand with metal integration. These items not only add charm to your workspace, but also help keep your desk neat and functional. Before we continue, if you're enjoying these creative wood and metal scrap decor ideas so far, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Kuki Decor, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our creative ideas posted every week. Your support helps us grow and create even more inspiring upcycling videos for you. Now, let's dive back into more trendy decor transformations. Now that we are energized again, let's talk about one of the most eye-catching projects: scrap metal accent pieces paired with reclaimed wood bases. This style is extremely popular in modern interior design because the combination of sculptural metal forms and natural wooden textures creates a striking artistic balance. Old nuts, bolts, springs, and even broken metal gears can be welded or glued together to form unique shapes, flowers, abstract patterns, or geometric designs. These metal structures can then be mounted onto small wooden blocks or planks to serve as statement pieces for shelves, side tables, or entryway consoles. The natural imperfections, from rusted textures to uneven wood grains, add charm and character to the final piece, making it not just decor, but a conversation starter. Next, let's explore lighting decor. Wood and metal scraps can be used to design stylish, modern, and unique table lamps or pendant lights. For instance, a solid piece of scrap wood can serve as a lamp base, while leftover metal rods, or small sheets, can be shaped into a lampshade or frame. These DIY lights create a warm and cozy atmosphere, especially when combined with warm-tone LED bulbs. The contrast between the rustic wood and industrial metal gives your space a designer feel, like something straight out of a modern interior magazine. And because these materials are free, or extremely cheap, you get a luxurious result at a minimal cost. Another amazing idea is creating decorative trays or serving boards using wood scraps with metal handles. These trays look high-end and can be used for coffee setups, candle arrangements, perfumes, or decorative displays. A wooden board with metal handles instantly transforms into a chic and functional decor piece. For a more elegant finish, you can add epoxy coatings, natural oils, or wood stains. These trays are also excellent for gifting or selling because they are simple to create, yet they look classy and valuable. One of the most practical decor pieces you can create from scraps is a modern coat rack or key hanger. A piece of wooden plank, whether smooth or naturally textured, paired with a set of metal hooks or repurposed bolts, makes a stylish entryway accessory. This decor piece is not only decorative, but also incredibly functional and useful in daily life. And because it hangs in a very visible area of the home, it instantly adds a sense of aesthetic personality. For those who want something more artistic, let's talk about mini sculptural art pieces. With a few wood scraps, you can carve or shape them into simple forms, while using metal scraps to enhance their look. For example, a carved wooden triangle could be combined with a bent metal rod to create a geometric sculpture. Or a piece of driftwood could be paired with a welded metal spiral. These small sculptures are perfect for modern living rooms, bedrooms, or office desks. They instantly add sophistication, making your decor look thoughtfully curated. The possibilities are endless because wood and metal are timeless materials. And when we use scraps, we are not only being creative, we are being sustainable. Upcycling helps reduce waste, protect nature, and save money, all while allowing us to create pieces that reflect our personal style. Every decor piece you create becomes a small contribution to a cleaner planet and a more stylish home. That's the beauty of creative fusion. You're not just crafting, you're transforming, you're designing, and you're giving new life to materials that would otherwise be thrown away. As we reach the final part of this creative journey, I want to thank you deeply for being here and spending your time with Kuki Decor. I hope today's ideas have sparked your imagination and encouraged you to look at wood and metal scraps as treasures rather than waste. Whether you're planning to decorate your living room, upgrade your office, or even start a small crafting business, these simple materials can help you build pieces that are beautiful, functional, and full of personality. Every creation you make is a reflection of your style, your passion, and your creativity. Thank you so much for watching today's video on creative fusion, transforming wood and metal scraps into trendy home decor ideas. If you loved these ideas and found inspiration, please give this video a big like, leave a comment below telling us which project you'd love to try, and most importantly, subscribe to Kuki Decor for more creative DIY projects uploaded every week. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video filled with inspiration, creativity, and stylish decor ideas. Until next time, keep creating, keep exploring, and keep transforming your home with love and imagination. This is Kuki Decor, where creativity finds its true home.